Hey, Mailbag 42-ish. Some electronics and some fluff. I do like fluff. Things like that. Both of these are old packages. It's November right now, 2024. This one I picked up in, July of 2024. And this one here was March of 2024. So we're going to start with this one. Get this out of the way. Make sure camera is turned on. And let's see. Good. Doesn't look like there's any addresses on this stuff. So, one package equals 3 packages. Let's start with this one. I kind of know what's in these packages. I've actually started keeping records. That way, when I need something, it gets higher up on the list of being done. Get out of the way. Okay. Yeah, probably seen these on other channels. Demagnetizer, magnetizer. I saw this on Pile of Stuff a while back. Quite a while back, and figured I'd get one. So, actually, let's see. Demagnetize it first. Maybe. And we all have that little package of, hey, there were spare parts in that thing I took apart and put back together. Okay, let's pull this up to the camera. Screwdriver's not attracting the screws. Let's try it now on the magnetizing one. Okay. They're attached. So it does work. I thought that was kind of handy because sometimes you do want them to stick to your screwdriver and sometimes you don't. And of course, tiny screws. It's amazing how you can find these spare parts after you reassemble stuff. So, why do they put all those spares in there? Also, some of these are from when I take something apart that never goes back together. Let's see. It's in the corner there. Who the seller was. I paid $5.77 for this. And I'll put in the corner also the specs on it for the size this way and this way. I don't want to demagnetize that. Okay. This should be interesting. It's a kit. Empty. I'll put in the corner there who I got it from. I paid a whopping $4.39. Oops. I better move that out of the way. What it is a do-it-yourself ultrasonic suspension unit. Okay, it tells you what parts there are. Gives you the how to, well, it doesn't tell you how to assemble it. I guess I hope that you can figure that out. And a schematic. I'll put in the corner there what it's supposed to look like once assembled. I'll be doing this when on a cold winter night here. Let me just get this out of the way. But first, comes with 3 boards. Appear to be fairly nice quality there. Yep. The standoffs. And the ultrasonic modules. Or ultrasonic emitters, and then some small little parts. It will be interesting to see if this thing actually works. And the next package. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, I saw these. I'll put who I got them from over there. And I paid $2.15. They're high sensitivity vibration spring switches. Okay, I'll actually insert a picture of them in the corner here because I'm not going to get that to focus on it. But let's see if they work. Well, I got this one hooked up to my meter audio for when it gets contact. It does work, but I wouldn't call it high sensitivity, because if you just do a vibration, not getting much of anything. It almost seems like it needs a fairly good impact on it. So I don't believe these are going to work for what I planned. I wanted to put them in things just to see that if it got whacked slightly or it was vibrating, if it would sound off. Oh well. It only cost $2.15. So let's see what's inside one of these. I hope it's not glass. Oh, here's something pop. Grab another tool. No, that's not helping any. I just pulled out the center pin. I said open up. Well, definitely plastic. And since it's plastic, oops. Come on, focus. Off comes that end. Okay, let's just. This ain't going too well. Oh, there we go. So that would have been in there like that. I had cut off a tiny bit, and when it vibrates around, it would hit. This does appear to be fairly stiff, but that's what's inside one. On to the next. So, big package number 2. Okay, 1 item, 2 items, 3rd item, 4th item, and 5th item, I think. Okay, I'll open up this one since it looks, yeah, I thought so. This was supposed to be a crystal 5 centimeter prison for $2.49. There was supposed to be something in here, and I'm way past the complaint time. So, I got a box. Oh well. Another little knick-knack type thing. These are Space Gyro Dream Spinner. That's who I got these things from. I'll put up in the corner there. And I'll put up the other one showing the dimensions. Now I'm just going to have to zoom down on this one. There we go. It's wobbling. This was just meant as a knick-knack. $2.49, and I got 2 of them. So, there we go. Get those out of the way. Let's go with this one. Up in the corner will be what I paid for it. Oh, $3.74. And I wonder if it works. Oh, need to get some batteries for it. Okay, it looks like it takes 2 AAAs. So here's some AAAs. I hope that's what they mean. If not, it ain't gonna work. Ah, that worked. So I'm gonna just do a quick comparison with this one. Now, this is only meant for people, but oh, maybe it has more modes. Okay, just regular temperature. Side by side. Now, guess I need to put this one in non-human mode also. Not too bad. And this one here is probably, 15 times more expensive. Okay, the next one will be, mode. Human mode. Into the ear. 36.8. This one. Turn it into human mode. $37.1. One thing I did find with this one here, which is supposed to be much better quality because of course it's much more expensive, is it's all over the place. It definitely does show when you have a fever. But otherwise, there's a fair amount of bounce. So, for $3.74, that's actually not a bad price. Now, mode. Let's get them both back to the house mode. Just straight non-human. There we go. Oh, in this case, they're bang on identical. So, not a bad price, actually. I'll probably tear this thing apart later on another video. So, on to the next. Well, let's do this one. Electronic components get last. Okay. Base. Who I got it from is in the corner, of course. Oh, yes, I see. Yeah. That was disappointing. There we go. Whoops. Check to make sure it's turned on. Okay. And I gotta find a battery or power bank. Got it hooked up to my power bank there. This one actually is a really nice power bank, except for the one that failed, because it actually will keep the connection even on super low currents. So here's the instructions. 32-piece WS2812 LED. At least 8 display modes, 4 brightness levels, built-in AGC, feet, something. Okay, yada, runs off 5 volts, and the instructions. Who needs instructions? It's working. Test, yep. Hey, I figured I'd get it and eventually I'd tear it apart to take a look inside. I got it from... That's in the corner there. And it cost a whopping $2.49. Not a bad deal. Show you the back side of it. Bring it up. Power button, color, bright, voice speed. So let's see. Push the top one. Oh, okay. You can change which way it's coming from. Oh, that's kind of cute. And what about the... Oh, okay. It's in the center now. Okay. Not bad. Color. Okay, that just changed the different colors. Okay, that's giving it much... Oh, that's actually kind of cute. So, not bad for $2.49. Oh, you might be noticing that there was $2.49, another one for $2.49, and another thing for $2.49 because it was one of those choice sales on AliExpress. On to the next. So these are MT3608 step-up modules. I might as well just pop one of these off the board. There we go. That makes it easier to hold on to. Come on, focus. Okay, I'm going to put it on the table to focus on it. So this is a step up. You put in 2 to 24 volts on this side. It does say that maximum is 28, after which point it probably fries. And then on this side here, you can get out to 28 volts out. I'll put up some of the data sheet stuff up in the corner there. And at some point, what I'll do is check this against the recommended circuit. These cost $3.74 for 10 of them. That's not too bad. It apparently operates at 1.2 megahertz with a capacity of 2 amps. And let's see, some of the other nice stuff on the sheet says 80 milliohm power MOSFET, up to 97% efficiency. So that's not too bad. So not a bad selection of items. This was definitely a good buy at that price compared to what they are in the stores around here. This is going to become fairly handy, like the little knickknacks. This will be good for a winter night. Those I don't know if I'm going to ever use them. This is a good backdrop. I really like that part of the display there. These will come in handy if there's much of a difference between the recommended circuit and what this is. I'll actually do it as a video at some point. The empty box, well, yeah, right. So, have a good day. Bye. The bird agrees.